In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can change the battery in your Subaru Legacy key fob. This device here was used between 2008 and 2019, and it takes just one of these CR1620 batteries. If you want to pick one of these batteries up online, I will leave a link down in the description to get one on Amazon for the lowest price. It's just a couple of bucks, and once you have that battery and a regular flathead screwdriver, you are good to follow along. So the first step here is to look at this key ring up at the top. And on the corner there, you can see that little indentation in the plastic. We're going to take the flathead screwdriver, insert it in there, and just give it a twist. And you can see we've started to open this thing up on the side. Going to work my way down that opening, just twisting until the back comes off with ease. Now you can set that to the side. In here we have a little component, a little box that houses the battery, and I'm just going to actually dump that out. Take a look at it here. We have to push these little latches, if you want to call it that, these little pieces of plastic, we're going to have to push them up to unlock this device. So we're actually just going to use the same flathead screwdriver. And you want to just get under the edge of it and just gently push and wiggle. And it won't feel like much on the first one, but you will actually have moved it past this little piece that you see there that holds it in place. So just go and do one by one, pushing and wiggling, move to the next one, get in there. And usually by the third one, it starts to come really loose. You can see now it's practically open, and just do the last one, corner in, wiggling, pushing, and there we go. Now you can just pull this thing apart, set this part to the side. And now here's our battery. With this little metal part pointing down, we want to come in on the top left right here with our flathead screwdriver. And again, just using the corner of the flathead, we're going to go down, get under the battery, and just lift it up gently. Here we have a 1620 battery. Again, there will be a link in the description to pick one of these up. If you don't know where to find it, you could just get it on Amazon. And when you are putting this battery back into your device, make sure this positive side that has the text and the battery information goes face down, and you'll just click it into place face down. And now we just have to reassemble the whole device here. So click that back into place, make sure it looks good and secure, and now you can take this, set this inside so that it sits flush, and you can just click the back into place, make sure it's not open, it's nice and secure, and there you have it. You are all set and ready to go. So I hope that video helped you guys out. If it did, you can let me know in the comment section or just by giving this video a like. And for any more information on how to change the battery in any key fob for any maker model, you could check out the rest of our videos here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.